Hello everyone, Anthony here. I used Rust for API development. I want to share my knowledge to grow Rust community. English is not my native language. If any mistake, please forgive me. Let's dive into Rust. This is Rust language official page as of June 2022. Let's move to the installation page. This is Rust installation page. You can install Rust using rustup init exe. I used Windows, so it sourced rustup init.exe. Here some notes are given. Rustup is a set of tools for release management, update documentation, package management, version management, and default channel management and uninstallation. Rust toolchain includes all of these things. You can install Rust from rustup.rs website also. And let's move to the announcement page. Here you can update Rust from currently installed version to current stable version using this command rustup update stable, and you can change the channel using rustup default beta and rustup default nightly. There are three channels in Rust: stable and beta and nightly. Rustup detailed notes are given in this page. We already seen this. Let's move to getting started page. We already seen about the installing Rust. Yes. Cargo is a Rust build tool and package manager. It has many commands: cargo build to build your project, cargo run to run your project, cargo test to test your project, and many more. For advanced user, it's better to have build tools in Windows and build essentials in Linux. Let us see about Rust variants. Rust development follows train model. It has three channels: nightly, beta, stable. Each 6 weeks, Rust roll out a new release. Each release passes from nightly for 6 weeks, and then it will be moved into beta in the next 6 weeks, and then move to stable in next 6 weeks. Every 3 or 4 years, Rust prepare a new edition. The previous editions are 2015, 2018, and the current edition is 2021. Every new releases or edition comprises of new possibilities or features and many more. There are some Rust toolchain commands. Rustup init used for new installation. Rustup self uninstall for uninstalling Rust. Rustup update for update to current stable version. And set the default channel using rustup default, stable or beta or nightly. You can install Rust specific channel version using rustup toolchain install nightly or rustup update nightly, and list the installed toolchain using the command rustup toolchain list, and install specific Rust version using the command rustup install. Current version is 1.61, but I used 1.60.0 or rustup default 1.60.0. Let me see the action. I already installed Rust 1.61.0. Check the version using or Rust C version. This is the Rust language compiler version. This is the Rust toolchain version. First, we uninstall the currently installed version. Let me check the Rust version now. Rust C is not recognized as an internal or external command. Rust up. Okay, Rust is cleanly uninstalled. I already downloaded Rust up in it, and now go to downloads folder and install the toolchain. Let me proceed the new installation. Okay, Rust is installed now. Let me check it. Okay. Now we have Rust 1.61. Let we install some specific version. First, we see the Rust version list. We can see the Rust version list from Rust announcement page, the blog page, or Rust release page. This page Rust 1.61 is the last version. Before that, Rust 1.60, 1.60, and then 1.59. Now we will install 1.59. Now Rust version 1.59 is installed. Now we have two Rust version, 1.61 and 1.59. You can check it. Rust version. Here the default version is Rust C. 1.61 is default version. And if you want to make Rust 1.59 as default, give this command rust up default 1.59.0. this makes Rust 1.59 as default. Now we check Rust up version. The default version is Rust C 1.59, and if you want to upgrade or set the latest version, then we give Rust up default 1.61. It will upgrade the version from 1.59 to 1.61. Again we check Rust up version. The default version is 1.61. After that we list toolchain version lists using Rust up toolchain list. Now we have three version. This is the latest version, 1.59, then 1.61. We can find all installed Rust up toolchain versions from users username and .rustup and toolchain. This folder we can find all installed Rust version toolchains, and we can find the cargo from .cargo bin. Now we change the toolchain version from stable to nightly. We can change toolchain version using rustup toolchain install nightly or rustup update nightly. Okay, rust toolchain nightly version is installed. Oh, it's installed nightly version. Current nightly version is rust 1.63. Forge.rustlang.org. This page shows the current nightly version, and another one channel nightly plus one. This version is rust 1.64. So stable version is 1.61, beta channel 1.62, nightly version 1.63, then 1.64. If check the rust version. Now the default version is rust 1.61. We have to make the nightly version to default. So we made rust 1.63 as default version. Yes. Now list the toolchain. Oh, we have 4. So here also it shows 4 toolchains. Now we uninstall rust. Check the tool chains. Yes, no versions found. Oh, rust up. This folder also removed. So rust is completely removed from the system. Okay, thank you. In the next video, we will see cargo commands, documentations, rust playground, and some rust repositories. If you find this as useful, like and share and comment your thoughts. Thank you.